So this is a full-on work light that has a stand built into it. And what's on the side of the box here? It just says work light with stand. You know what? Pretty simple box. It came in a box, so it was a box that came in a box. And it looks like we have a little bit of assembly that we have to do with this thing. There's the power cable. Well, basically, it doesn't look that hard. Here's the two lights themselves. Actually, 3 lights, 70-watt IP66. So these are waterproof. How about that? And here's some instructions on how to assemble it here. Actually, let me take it all out of the box for you guys, lay it out, and then I'll come back. It looks pretty simple. Here's the actual, that looks like the base right there. You get a little set of instructions right here. Let me show you in the instruction booklet. You just screw that down into the base, screw these two together. Those go in together like that. Put the lights on these, and you're done. And then plug it in and you are done. No joke, that's how quickly that thing is. So let me go ahead, set it all up, and then I'll come back. So you got the large base here. You can adjust this to be really wide open so it is sturdy like that. I like how long the legs are on this, and you loosen them and tighten them. You just turn these knobs right here, and this slides along that. I'd probably oil this and make it a little slicker because it was very tough to fold that out. You will screw these little feet in right here just to make it longer right there. I ran the switch is right here. It runs to the cord, and the cord looks to be about 15 feet. Going up, you adjust height right here, and it can actually go pretty high. So you're going to take these two items right here, slide them together, make sure the feet things are facing down, so the welded parts will be facing down. Ask me how I know. I just installed it backwards and redid it. So these just slide in right here. You're going to have a long, you get to one long bolt. It's going to go in the center of these, and then the two small ones right there, one small one right here, and these are actually adjustable around that way and around up and down like this. So you got that handle right there. You can pick it up, move it around. Very simple right there. Now this one stays fixed, but it can go flat like that. And when you're going to store it, you can actually remove all of these and put it down. But me personally, I'm just going to fold it all up and then put it in my shed and have it ready just in case I need to plug it in and set it up. These are 21,000 lumas is the claim lumas on that. Go ahead, I just plugged it in. Let me show you. It has a switch right here. So I do like the fact that it has that. Whoa, that's so bright. So you can see all of the LEDs. I can feel the heat off of these things. I don't want to look into that too much, but let me show you how these things will rotate around. You can move this easily around like that. Say I'm working on my van right here, I could turn it like that, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you my motor tonight. So yeah, let's click over to some nighttime now. Watch this, everybody, when I fire these things up. Move it around pretty easy, and if I want to move these down, I can move this up like that. I can move it down like that, or actually I can turn it around and move it down that way. You know how it is. You start changing something on the car and you end up working all the way into the nighttime, and you're sitting here and using a little headlamp or a flashlight. Look how I can see everything. I can see my oil dipstick, see all my hoses and everything like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, little small work light. 21,000 Luma work light. See you on the next video.